How to open graph in CapCut PC. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to just look for a section within your clip right here and where you want to add a keyframe to. So for example, I'll just add a keyframe right here at the end of my clip. And then for example, I'll add like a rotating keyframe right here. So I'll just click on this diamond icon right here to add a keyframe. There you go. And then after that, a keyframe will now be added to our clip. And then to enable the graph in your clip right here within your keyframe, what you want to do is to just simply right click the clip and then make sure to click on show keyframe animation right here. Or you could just simply click on Alt plus K on your keyboard. So I'll just click on that right now. And as you can see on the top right here, we will get to see a graph right here for our keyframes. So in here, we can add additional keyframes right here just by clicking on this diamond icon right here in the graph. So I'll just add some multiple keyframes right here. There you go. Let's add one more here. And then let's add one more right here somewhere in the beginning. And then there you go. And then to play with your keyframe, what you can do is to just simply drag your keyframes right here. Or what you can do is to expand your keyframe graph right here just by clicking on this arrow. So click on show keyframe graphs. And then from here, you can now start customizing your graph right here. So you can drag your keyframes around right here to change their rotation and etc. etc. So I'll just modify them for a bit. There you go. You can also move them anywhere you want. And then there you go. There you go. And then there you go. So when I play the video right here, as you can see that my clip is now rotating. There you go. And then it will rotate the other way since I added another keyframe and changed its rotation. And then there you go. The other keyframe. And then lastly, it will now reach this last keyframe right there. And then there you go. It will now rotate the other way. And then there you go. And then at the top right here, you'll also have some additional settings right here for your graph. Like you can allow it to have an auto curve. So this will automatically curve your keyframes right here. Or you can do a free curve if you want to. And currently we are using the linear curve. And then in the right side over here, we can also check out the graphs right here. So in here, we can have an ease in graph, quad in graph, cubic in, ease out, quad out, and a lot more. So feel free to explore this section out. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open graphs in CapCut PC.